Hi, I'm Brendan, and I'm going to be making a hexahexaflexagon. To do that, you'll need a pencil, a sheet of paper, a pair of scissors, different colors if you prefer to color yours, glue, a compass, a straight edge to go along with the compass, and if you really need it, a bigger ruler. Also, if you have notes, those help too. What I'm doing at this step is I am drawing a line to build my 19 triangles off of for my hexaflexagon. I recommend making this line because it is more convenient to help you make your equilateral triangles. If you make any mistakes, erase them and fix it because you need a straight line. What I'm doing here is I'm marking out 11 dashes with a 1-inch ruler because I have a larger sheet of paper. At this point, what I am doing is I'm taking the 1-inch spacing that I used for each of the dashes that I already made, and I'm using a 1-inch arc off of each of those dashes to make an intersection to be able to draw my triangles. I will be repeating this step. What I am doing now is I'm drawing a line over the top triangles so that the ones that are reflections but are faced upside down are now getting a bottom to them. And this gets me ready for the next step, which is drawing the diagonals for the triangles so I can split them apart into 19 different ones. What is happening right now is the time lapse of me drawing the diagonals for all 19 of the triangles. In this stage, you should cut out the 19 triangles to the hexahexaflexagon. I recommend going out and then coming back in and getting the smaller pieces so you have more room for your hands to cut. Now what you want to do is you want to take your length of 19 triangles and you want to fold both ways on each diagonal of the 19 triangles. You want to do this so your hexagon actually does its job and flexes. And also it helps designate which triangle is which. At this point, what you want to do is you want to put the strip of 19 triangles at the point where the diagonals come down and it looks like a trapezoid from your view. And on the front part, you want to number it in a pattern that goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, etc. till you get to the end where it says glue. But on the opposite side, you want to do it in a pattern that goes 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. And then on the opposite side, you want to put glue. Okay, once at this stage, you want to fold so that the back numbers 4 through 6 are on top of each other. So 4, 5, 6. At this point, they're all on top of each other. And once we do that, we want to fold right here. Once using these two numbers. So we do that, and then once we do that, we want to do this once again. And we want to slip this piece of paper underneath this one. At this point, what we do is we look at the back, and see these two signs that say glue? Well, with that, we take our glue stick, and we put glue on one of the sides. Don't get glue on the outside ends, though. Now it's time for the flexing. Once you have your flexagon complete, the way to fold it is you pinch two triangles and it makes a triangle-like thingy. I wouldn't know what to call it, but we're going to start on 2 and I'm going to take us through all 6 of the sides. So we have 2. If we flip this way, we'll find ourselves at 1, but I'm going to traverse back and go and find 4. And from 4, I'm going to head forward to 1, and from 1, I'm going to head forward to 3. And at 3, I'm going to find 2 again, but I can also find 6. And from 3, I can traverse back to 1, and right here is 5. And that is the creation and the flexing of a hexahexaflexagon.